Federal Judge Francis Tydingco Gatewood issues a tentative ruling on the CNMI government's motion to dismiss a retiree's lawsuit, and she orders the parties to come to a settlement conference. After hearing oral arguments this afternoon, the judge says she was inclined to not dismiss the lawsuit filed by retiree plaintiff Betty Johnson and her class. Johnson seeks collection of a $300 million judgment the government owes to the retirement fund and appointment of a federal receiver for the fund. The court found that Johnson's claims are ripe and she has standing, though the judge also indicated she might possibly dismiss one or two causes of action with leave for the plaintiff to amend her complaint. Tydingco Gatewood also told the government the fund is running out of time and she thought settlement would be a good idea. She gave the Attorney General's office 20 minutes to consult with the administration over the phone. Lieutenant Governor Eloy Enos ultimately agreed to participate in settlement talks, and so the order was issued. Tydingco Gatewood designated Honolulu Judge Robert Ferris to serve as settlement judge. He's expected to set a conference next week. Today's hearing also included a presentation to the court on the state of the fund. Experts said the fund is in uncharted territory for U.S. public pension plans, with the funding level at only about 12% and a total unfunded liability of over $1.5 billion. Tonight we bring you part one of this story. The presentation was given by Guam attorney Joyce Tang from the fund's federally appointed trustee ad litem, law firm Seville & Tang. The presentation included commentary by expert witnesses Dylan Porter, the fund's actuary, as well as Maggie Rabowski, the fund's investment consultant from Wilshire Associates. The picture painted for the court was a grim one, and Tang said the government has shown every intention of ignoring and abandoning its obligations to the fund. Two possible dates for the fund's projected depletion to zero were given, either November 2016 if Public Law 1782 is not implemented, or much sooner than that if it is. Actuarial consultant Dylan Porter explains.
The law says employees can take their employee contributions out first. We don't really know what that's going to add up to, but the running estimate is $113 million that's been talked about in all the proceedings. So if the employees take that money out today and the remainder of the fund is used just to pay month by month by month, then the fund will be able to meet its obligations, but only 14 more months until March 1 of 2014. So it's really very close, and I think the judge seemed sensitive to the fact that that date is approaching.
Representing the government, Assistant Attorney General Reena Patel questioned the fund's projected depletion dates, which she described as speculative and not probable in light of what she called piecemeal efforts by the government to pay more into the fund. Principal trustee ad litem Joseph Rosano told reporters the government's characterization of the situation could not possibly be true. Retiree plaintiff Betty Johnson's attorney, Marjorie Bronster, agrees.
The depletion date is real. The experts have said it's real, and without this court case, I think that it's an absolute certainty that the retirees' money will be gone. Without action, the fund will be gone in slightly over a year, and the retirees will be out of luck. And so we have to take action and start protecting the retirees.